Oh yeah.
Buddy.
Yeah, she's a little mushy out here. Don't wipe out. Keep her above the corn and out of the dirt.
Almost went over my head once.
Okay, let's just go on either side of them. This way, you know.
I'm just gonna hide right here.
Yeah. All right, good play, buddy. Keep her in front of you. All right. Yeah, it's a little too windy.
See how fast that dropped?
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I barely touched it.
Whoa, you see it get carried? Just got pushed out there. Oh Jesus, like it hit a wall when he did that forward. Oh. They're just getting pushed back.
Oh, it's just straight 0 to 100.
Oh geez.
So as I change the pitch, it's changing the RPM too.
You might want to get on that, eh?